Well, good morning, YouTube. I'm not sure if I'm going to make any other videos today, but I'm between Troy and Piqua right now near Farrington Reserve. And although the bike path is not underwater right now, we did have a good amount of rain yesterday and the day before. And look at the power of that water just rushing down this little creek right here. Yep. It's a beautiful day outside right now. Just out enjoying a nice bike ride along the bike path. Yep, the sound of that water. And that water normally is not like that unless we've had a bunch of rain, but you could see the water flowing downstream to the Great Miami River. But I'm going to get on with the ride.